Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Saturday, June 7th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. I'm so tired today.
I know the feeling. Did you have a busy day yesterday?
Yeah, tons of calls with clients. I'm ready for a quick break now.
Same here. This coffee machine is my best friend in the morning?
Haha, totally. Hey, did you hear about the big news from the Philippines?
No, what's happening there?
Their president kept most of his team. He asked for resignations, but almost everyone stayed.
Oh, interesting. A reset that's not really a reset?
Exactly. I bet it's just to show he's in control.
Maybe. It could affect how they work with other countries.
True. And that means business for us. We might need to watch if our deals change.
Good point. I'll check if it impacts any of our projects.
Cool. Keep me in the loop. Hey, speaking of business, did you see the news about Trump and tariffs?
Yes, I did. He's talking tough about China again.
Yeah, he says their leader is hard to deal with. More tariffs might come soon.
That could mess up a lot of tech markets. Our suppliers might raise prices.
Just what we need, more costs. My sales targets are hard enough.
I know, right? I'll need to update budgets if tech stuff gets expensive.
Let's hope it's just talk. I can't handle more stress this month.
We'll manage. We always do.
True. Hey, on a lighter note, did you hear about that New York governor race thing?
Oh, yes. The deputy is challenging the current governor.
Yeah, a big fight in 2026. It's like a movie plot.
It is. Politics can be such a drama sometimes.
Totally better than any TV show. I wonder who'll win.
Hard to say. It might change a lot in New York.
For sure. Hey, if they argue too much, maybe they'll need a salesman like me to smooth things over.
Maybe. You'd sell them a peace deal.
Exactly. I'd close that deal in 5 minutes.
I believe it. You've got the charm for it.
Thanks, Alex. Hey, how's your morning looking? Got a lot on your plate?
Yeah, I'm pretty busy. I have a project meeting in 30 minutes.
Same here. Got a client call soon. Always something to do.
Always. But that's office life, right?
You bet. At least we've got coffee to keep us going.
True? This break is the best part of my day so far?
Haha, mine too. Hey, about that Philippines news, do you think it'll change anything for our deadlines?
Not sure yet. I'll look into it and let you know.
Thanks, appreciate it. And those tariffs, man, I hope they don't hit us hard.
Me too. I'll check with the tech team later today.
Cool, teamwork makes the dream work. And that governor race, think it'll be big news for a while.
Probably. It's a story people will follow for sure.
Yeah, drama sells. Better than my sales pitches sometimes.
Don't say that. You're great at your job.
Thanks, Alex. You're not bad yourself, keeping all those projects on track.
I try my best. It's a lot of lists and emails.
I bet. Hey, ever think about how fast news changes?
All the time. One day it's politics, next day it's tech.
Yeah, keeps us on our toes. Gotta stay updated or we're lost.
So true. I read the news every morning just to keep up.
Same over coffee. Best way to start the day.
Agreed? Speaking of starting, I should get back to my desk soon.
Yeah, me too. Gotta prep for that call.
Okay, let's catch up later. Maybe at lunch.
Sounds good. See you later, Alex.
See you, David. Have a good morning.
You too. Let's get through this busy day.
We've got this. Take care.
Take care, Alex. Don't work too hard.
I'll try not to. See you soon.
See you soon. Let's keep rocking this office.
For sure. Have a great day.
You too, Alex. Catch you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.